Hello everyone, this is Super Saiyan Goten 1, and today I'm gonna be unboxing some video games I got today. They're really old, but I like them. First one I got is Ultimate Dragon Ball Z. And he's back. I got it from a GameStop. I already took the sticker off this one. Doesn't have the instruction manual. And I'll be right back. Here's the disc, which is awesome. I played it. I've gotten to this level, but I can't beat it. Next one I got was Dragon Ball Z Budokai Tenkaichi 2. It's awesome. I've played it. I beat all the story now. See, here's the back. And here's the little side thing. Last one I got, which I think is cool, is Dragon Ball Z Budokai 3. You can't really see the color because it's been pre-owned, but here's the disc. Yeah, that's all the video games I got today, and I'll be uploading another video very soon, like in a few minutes. So stay tuned. That was Super Saiyan Goten. That was Super Saiyan Goten 1. Bye.